just looked at
Well,
that.
that's my world.
Yeah. So you're
You know,
like,
I mean, with these things, I live in the ionosphere.
yeah.
I know what the sun is doing every day. I know what the ionosphere is doing. I know what everything's doing because I'm part of it. I live outside, and I have an advanced sensory system where I can pick up the stuff that normally only the animals can pick up.
Could you explain a bit about your theories without being incredibly scientific, because I would probably just misinterpret them.
Well, it's not my theories. It's
It's
the theories that have been established by, you know, the giants in this area.
Yeah.
And what I've done is you know, most of them didn't finish. There's a lot of conflicts. So the physicists got in and mucked everything up.
Why the physicists?
They do that. They're the enemies of electricity.
Okay.
In the mind of the physicists, electricity does not exist.
Oh, okay.
And in fact, electricity in general is despised. So that's one of the complications I have, is I always approach stuff from an electrical standpoint, and physics does not allow that.
Okay.
It's not allowed. Well, I had discovered Tesla's transmission system on my own, not knowing.
Experiments, because there must be some implication with your experiment that is pissing people off, and they don't want you continuing.
I think it's because it's completely iconoclastic to the whole Einstein idea of the universe.
Okay. Yeah.
I think that's what it is. There's real heavy racial elements involved.
Yeah.
Of racial hate. There's no energy, actually. Most of it you can't even measure in outer space or see.
Can't see.
No, you can't see the sun in free space.
And the sun is not visible in outer space.
Not in free space. It's only invisible when gross matter becomes involved, like the Earth's atmosphere and envelope and the surface of the moon or whatever. That makes the light. Otherwise, there is no light. You can see the moon, you can see the Earth, but you can't see the sun or you can't see the stars.
You can see the planets.
Yeah. Right, you can see material objects, but you cannot see the sources of light. There is no light until there's a material object. So that means there's no time delay. So the whole time delay thing is meaningless. It doesn't take light years. There are no light years because there's no light. So that means that the light you see from the distant stars isn't 4 billion years old. It could be only minutes old. It could be instantaneous. All the theories collapse when you can't see the stars in outer space. There's no inside structure.
Is it all?
Yeah, there's only a surface. There's nothing inside.
Is the sun actually actually, I believe, combusting in it.
It's not burning anything. There's no fusion in the sun. That's well understood. Yeah, well, there's no other way to prove that there is any. It's only in the flares that you get fusion. That's why all the X-rays. Flares, the arcs, and the X-rays, and the microwaves, and whatever result of fusion in the arcs. There's no fusion in the sun. They don't know how the sun works.
Right? What's special? How does the sun work? Like,
It's a transform. Transforms from some other dimension. It's not burning anything. It doesn't have to. It's a converter. I don't know. Nobody knows. But that's what it does. That's the only thing it can do, because that's how everything works.
transform it from another dimension.
Yeah, you could say it's taking energy from another dimension, counter space.